OpenAI just acquired the most starred project on GitHub. It's not a code editor, it's not a framework. It's an AI agent that trades crypto autonomously. The project is called OpenClaw, and if you're not paying attention to what this acquisition means, you're about to get left behind. In February 2026, OpenAI quietly closed the acquisition of OpenClaw, an open source AI agent platform that had surpassed both React and Linux and GitHub stars. That's not a typo. More developers starred OpenClaw than the framework that runs half the internet, and OpenAI paid an undisclosed amount to own it. Let's break down what this means. For those who don't know, OpenClaw is a horizontal AI agent platform. That means it's not built for one task. It's built to do anything you tell it to. Write code, manage files, browse the web, and critically for us, execute trades, monitor portfolios, and interact with crypto exchanges through their APIs. It runs locally on your machine, which means your API keys never leave your hardware. Here's the real question. OpenAI has GPT-4, the most powerful language model on Earth. They have 1 million tokens of context. They just raised $110 billion from Amazon, NVIDIA, and SoftBank at a $730 billion valuation. Why do they need OpenClaw? The answer is simple. Models are not agents. A model can think. An agent can act. OpenAI had the brain. OpenClaw gives them the hands. This acquisition isn't happening in a vacuum. The entire industry is moving toward what analysts are calling the agent economy. Non-human identities in financial services now outnumber human employees 96-1. Coinbase launched agentic wallets on their X402 protocol in February. BNB Chain deployed infrastructure for autonomous agent payments. And Changpeng Zhao, the founder of Binance, publicly said AI agents will dominate crypto payments, and named OpenClaw as the tool he's using to build them. Let me put this in perspective. In 2024, you typed a prompt and got text back. In 2025, you gave an agent a task and it completed it. In 2026, agents are getting wallets, identities, and the ability to transact autonomously. We're not talking about chatbots anymore. We're talking about economic actors. Here's the part nobody is talking about. AI agents can't open bank accounts. They can't pass KYC verification. They can't get a credit card. Traditional finance has an identity bottleneck that makes it nearly impossible for autonomous agents to transact. But crypto wallets only need a private key. No identity verification. No human required. An agent holding a crypto wallet can send and receive value 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, without any human in the loop. This is why OpenAI didn't buy a fintech company. They bought an agent platform that already integrates with crypto infrastructure. OpenAI isn't the only player. NASDAQ is already using AI agents for market surveillance and compliance. Crypto.com laid off 12% of its staff to double down on automation. Block, Jack Dorsey's company, cut over 4,000 employees, 40% of its workforce, because Dorsey said AI tools now enable smaller, more efficient teams. The companies that survive the next 2 years will be the ones that deploy agents fastest, and the individuals who learn to use these tools will have an unfair advantage over everyone who doesn't. If you're watching this and thinking this is the kind of content you need more of, AI tools, crypto automation, the intersection of agents and money, subscribe right now. I'm covering this space every single week with real tools, real demos, and real analysis. So what does the OpenClaw acquisition actually change for regular people? 3 things. First, the open source version is still available on GitHub today. OpenAI has not taken it down. Use it while you can. Second, expect a premium hosted version inside ChatGPT within the next 6 months. OpenAI will likely integrate agent capabilities directly into their platform, with crypto trading as a flagship use case. Third, and this is the big one, the agent ecosystem is about to get flooded with investment. Markets and Markets projects the AI agent market will grow from $7.8 billion to $52.6 billion by 2030. That's a 46% compound annual growth rate. I'm not going to pretend this is all upside. There are real risks, Automated trading agents amplify whatever strategy you give them. If your logic is flawed, the bot will execute those flaws faster and more efficiently than you ever could. Security is a massive concern. Attackers could target AI trading agents to steal funds or manipulate markets. And the regulatory landscape is completely undefined. Governments haven't figured out how to regulate human crypto traders yet. Autonomous agent traders are a whole new category of problem. And there's a geopolitical angle here too. Anthropic, the company behind Claude, just got labeled a supply chain risk by the US Department of Defense after refusing to allow unrestricted military use of its AI. Meanwhile, OpenAI signed the Pentagon deal for classified AI deployment. The companies building AI agents are making very different bets about who their customers are. OpenAI is going all in on government and enterprise. That choice will shape what OpenClaw becomes. Here's my honest take on what you should do right now. 1. Go to GitHub and clone OpenClaw today. The open source version works. I've been running it for months. 2. Start small. Don't connect it to your main portfolio. Use a test account with money you can afford to lose. 3. Learn the agent paradigm. Whether it's OpenClaw or Claude Code or whatever comes next, the people who understand how to instruct, constrain, and deploy AI agents will have the most valuable skill set of the next decade. The acquisition of OpenClaw by OpenAI isn't just a tech deal, it's a signal. The biggest AI company on earth just told you where the future is going. Agents that can think, act, and transact autonomously on crypto rails. If you want to see how to actually set up OpenClaw and run your first automated trade, that's the next video. I'll see you there.